I'm gonna show you exactly how much you need to spend in solar ads to get your lead gen right. What you would need in terms of ad spend to go into marketing for yourself, I would say is anywhere between $3,000 and $5,000. When you're starting off a new campaign, but what we do is we'll launch multiple ads in the area that you want to advertise, and then in a certain period of time, let's say 3 to 5 days, we cut out the losing ones and we scale the ones that have the most potential. So your cost per acquisition to begin with may be a little bit higher than that. So you want to make sure that you get at least 2 to 4 deals when you're first starting out, just to get the ball rolling.